So hi, my name is Adriya Dacosta. So I am basically studying in this college. So literally today's program was a great successful one. At the start, it was bit we were nervous, especially my group who were dancing, especially the 5G Global Kumon Girls group. So it was very difficult for us also to perform. Also, it was like we were very nervous too, but we tried to encourage our members also. Even if we were nervous also, we were forgetting our steps too. So my friends personally and especially all credit goes to Miss Rajvi Naik, because she has really has done the best choreography for us, and especially the two dances which we have performed, which is the Gumot dance and secondly the Chanyache Rati. So basically we were forgetting the steps and everything, but overall the program went smooth, and I have personally got beautiful comments too. It was like unbelievable, those comments. Actually, for me, dancing was not my first priority. I used to love, my hobbies like to sing, to play. But I don't know, like later on, like God has put in me in a different talent. So that talent I personally wanted to show. So here am I. So I had showed today's lovely performance. I hope everyone also will like it.
During the day, we've had Santa Rebello come here to do Rotessa, one of the old Goan arts of making chairs called rattan chairs. So he was here, his phone number was displayed. Hopefully people will get in touch with him. Sabina Dicunya was here, her son suffers from hemophilia. So all these people had a chance. We've got Patrick here, who's a good friend of ours, always coming and supporting us at our events. So Patrick and all these people come. So hence this festival has been named Inclusive and Accessible Fest. So people in wheelchairs can come, so they've got access. There are toilets here which is accessible. So when we do a fest, we make sure it's accessible, it's inclusive. There's been about 10, 12 programs here, and when we say inclusive, we make sure that not only the staff, the students, the non-teaching staff took part, and people who come from outside, from other schools and colleges took part. All in all, it's been a great first ever Happy People's Fest.
My name is Avrita Pai. We are the Sunshine Band of Goa College of Home Science. I would like to start saying that this experience was a really good one. it was about a month ago that Festakar Mariaskam came to our college, giving us the opportunity that you all can do something, you should start a band, you all should, include everyone in this. So we just sat and we discussed what we can do, and we came up with something. And we also had people outside from the college who were really enthusiastic to participate in this. And it was really a good experience, a good start to our band, and hopefully we will continue this.
So, how have your preparation been like?
So it was a little hectic at first because we were trying to manage our time with our college hours, but we managed later, and then we were enjoying it while practicing. It was a really fun time that we spent together.
Okay, so basically, what were the guidelines you got first, like in the beginning when we are going to have this Koshicha Fest here? What came to your mind like?
Okay, so personally, when Festakar Marias came to our college, I'm like, what is this? I didn't understand what is it about. Then every day he would sit with us, he would explain what are we doing and everything, and that created a whole new vision in my mind. And obviously in the starting I was a little nervous, like, and didn't know what to do, what to play and everything. So he was really there from the start to guide us. I think it's a really innovative idea that we are celebrating happy people.
Okay.
Honestly, I've never seen a festival like that, like this one. So it was a really positive vibe around here. I had seen so many people they have some that they're specially able or whatever, but they are so happy, and it inspires us. Like, no problem is so big that you stop living, you stop being happy. That is all this fest was about.
Hi, my name is Vaishnavi Prabhudesai. I'm from first year's Home Science School. Besides from the cultural, we also had some stalls with many food items, even like Miro and all these things were there for the people who have come here to enjoy. As well as our canteen team had also kept food. And there were many other things like which were set up by the people, by the Koshi people. Here behind also there were many things.
So with the current changes in technology and the world is becoming more global, we sometimes forget our own roots because we are going more global. So when we have festivals like these, it helps us to remember what our ancestors did so that we can continue these traditions. So the youngsters today need inputs like these so that the old is not forgotten, because definitely the old is always gold. So, and taking these old traditions, we can merge it with the modern things and with technology, so that these things can reach the whole world.
Don't you think every village should celebrate all this type of festivals? Because every village has its own thing. Like we have in Pilen, we have Mathiyecha Fest and so many other Marancha Fest and all whatnot. So don't you think we should spread it out?
Yes, and I think Marius is doing just that. He goes to different villages and he tries to find something unique in each village and help people to sort of preserve and celebrate it. So it's a good initiative, and I hope more villages take up different things.
What's your future plan? Next year you're going to celebrate it?
Definitely, yes. I think we want to continue being happy.
happy, just like what the feast is all about. Khoshi Loganche Fest.
Okay.
And there were wonderful performances today. There was such a lot of crowd. So many people from different sections of society came together. So that is the beauty of the fest which Marius organizes.
So future you're going to have it again?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Marius, wherever you are, we'll come with you.
Okay.
So the Gumot is on the verge of getting a GI tag. It's going to be accepted around the world as a new instrument from the state of Goa. So we made a special effort. 2017 I had done the first Gumot Fest, but it was all controlled by men. And we are making a conscious effort that the Gumot has to reach the girl child. So we formed a band called the 5G, and it's extremely pleasing to see this young girl. I forget her name. What's her name?
My name is Kaustubh.
Yeah. So she has got a tremendous talent, and perhaps one of the actually future stars of the Gumot, if she gets good guidance, to perform and go across the world. Because no way you can go to Nigeria and give a Gumot to a Nigerian, they don't know what it is. Give a Gumot to a Punjabi, they got no idea. You give anybody in the world, they don't. So there's very, very few people, especially women, to play Gumot. So please take it seriously. Yeah, you have got a huge future to play the Gumot, but there's not many, you don't have competition. Yeah, so please take this seriously. So you can give us some beats and show on the camera how you'll play the Gumot.
Okay, so I have not learned this anywhere. I play by myself.
Okay.
ओके सो आमी चवथीक आमच्या घुमट वाजयता सो आमी थंयसरल्यान बारीकपणाच्यान आमच्या आज्यांक नाल्यार आमच्या पप्पाक बी वाजयतना पयलें सो आमी थंयसरल्यानूच पळोवन शिकले मातशें सो ह्या कॉलेजीन आमकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली की आमी ह्या बँडाक वाजोवं अशी सो आमी हांगसर घुमट वाजोवंक आनी मातशें शिकले सो आनी कितें इम्प्रुवमेंट जाली आनी
I love to sing or like to do anything other. This thing, dancing was not my cup of tea, but actually she has motivated for me and plus others also. Am I right? Everyone knows it. So yeah.
सो आमकां परफॉर्मन्सान आतां हांवूय शिकयतालें भुरग्यांक सो ह्या परफॉर्मन्सान जो म्हाका टिचरीन सांगलें की राजू तूं हँडल कर सो म्हाका लायक ओके हांव लायक यू नो डायरेक्ट हय करता हांव आनी जेन्ना भुरग्यांचो लायक यू नो भुरग्यां जेन्ना ग्रुपान आयलीं जाल्यार तेन्ना मातशें हें तें जालें बट तांकांय लागून लायक इट वॉज सुपर परफॉर्मन्स आय कॅन फील दॅट आनी सगळ्यांनी बेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स दिलो अशें हांव म्हणूं शकता
Thank you.
As we organize this fest with no money, we don't take money from anybody, so we have to come with innovations. So one of the innovations we have is the cocktails or not. So we show us the cocktails. See, it doesn't cost us money to have cocktails. Yeah. So they have come up with a dance with Dr. Gwendolyn called Kotyatsa Nuts.
I'm Maret Pimenta and I'm from SY. For 1 month we have practiced this dance. This is the first time we dance like this. Like this Miss Glenda and Miss Marius helped us to perform the dance and showed us the steps, and it was very enjoyable dance. We enjoyed it lots.
Okay. So what do you want to say about this Kotyo now?
सो हांव सांगूं सोदतां की हे आसा ज्यो कोट्यो आमी आतां यूज केल्या त्यो कश्यो आल्या सगळ्यांक खबर आहा त्यो नाल्लाच्यो. सो आमी लायक कितें तरी हाज्या बद्दल आतां हें आसा आमी नाल्ल करता जेवण रांदता भायर उडयता. सो हे आमी आयज आमच्या हातीन धरून हेजेर आमी वापरला आनी हेजेर आमी नाच करून दाखयला.
This is a low-cost instrument come from Goa.
Yes.
Low cost. We have coconut shells. See, not everybody has got money to buy expensive saxophones and trumpets and keyboards and violins. So if you don't have money, don't think it's the end of the world. You can innovate and start. So we have shown here, they brought shells, show them the shells. Look, different colors, different paints. They make it lovely. So these should be the identity of Goa. Across the world, our coconut trees, our leaves, which we did today, Molla, and our shells. So this should be the percussion sound of Goa with the kotyos and kotyatsa nuts. Pasepoya?
organization based in Bangalore. They are supplying these bowls free of cost. Well, the only condition is the person has to maintain them clean, and we know otherwise mosquitoes will breed in them. So we have to change the water often and keep the bowls clean. So these are given free, and there are a lot of people, some politicians also have come forward now in Goa with this initiative. Our own animal shelter, the Panjim Animal Welfare Society based in Panjim, they have these green colored bowls, right, which we have, some people have sponsored for them, called as Helping Hands. They have sponsored. These are also available for people, they can take them home. Only condition is fill them with clean water, keep them clean, don't allow mosquitoes to breed. So a sip of water, we can say, saves lives in this heat.
I would like to thank Mahesh Bhai, the principal of this college, for accepting our offer, because we had come here knowing that this place is accessible. That's the main thing. We need places which are accessible, and the people to be inclusive. So they were with us all the way. We managed to get the staff, the non-teaching staff, students, and over a month of rehearsals. It is a tough thing today in schools and colleges because they have to study whole day. There are tuitions and studies. So these students are not from Panjim, they're from Vasco and so far away. But they stayed almost every day, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so much patience, but I can tell you that the potential is huge. We've been here for a month, and all this must be the most creative college in Panjim. I've been to many schools and colleges, but here I have seen the most talent. And you know, it's not just about saying let's take part. We must make it happen. And these young students here made it happen today. And these visuals are going to be seen around the world, which is going to inspire the Goans abroad. You know, they want to see something new from Goa. And here we show them the Kotanton arts, the 5G band, the cutting of the gumot cake, so many things have happened throughout the day. So next year, 5th, every year it should be on the 5th, huh? 5th of April, every year will be a happy day, and the happy day will be celebrating the birthday of the gumot. Wow. Yes?
My dear friends, the program has come to an end. I hope you all have enjoyed everything, whatever has gone, whatever was going on, especially in the morning. Personally, I also enjoyed each and every performance, especially from the start, which is like especially the Gumot dance. And the last performance was the Kotya Sanat. It was full on, bang on. I hope next year also we get this opportunity to perform over here at the same place, at the same location, and I hope you have also enjoyed. Definitely I also have enjoyed, so thank you so much.